What's going on, everybody? Thank you for joining me for another workout here. Today we got a 10-minute core and stretch workout. All you need is just a mat, or if you're on carpet, that's totally fine. We're gonna focus on flexibility, mobility, stretching, abs, and core. Okay, so again, do what you can. Always breathe. Here we go. Inhale. Exhale. Come all the way. Drop those hips down. Get nice and low. Sink it down all the way up. Inhale. Exhale through the mouth. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Bring it back up one more time here. Reach those hands up nice and high. We're gonna drop that chin down and just work it. Just breathe. Feel that stretch in the back of the neck. Opening up the upper back, the shoulders here. Go ahead and drop those hands right out center of chest. Interlace those fingers. Chin comes down, round the back. Pulling those shoulders forward, separating those shoulder blades. As always, modify any of the moves if you need to. Take it on back. Any of my moves get a little too strenuous for you, do what you can. That's what it's always about. Okay, working, building up, getting stronger, working on that progress, chin up, opening. All right, we're gonna go into some core work here. We're gonna work some balance. We're gonna take one knee up. Pull that knee in. Back is nice and tall. You're gonna feel that stretch in the back of that bent leg. Core is working, helping you stay balanced. Supporting leg is strong. If you need to modify, you can take one hand off. You can just hold that hand out for a little bit more balance, a little bit more support. Switch sides. Pull that knee in. Same thing here. You take one hand off if you need it. If you have a chair next to you, you can hold that chair too as you pull that knee in, but make sure that back is nice and tall. Feel the stretch. Come on down. Taking one leg over, we're hitting a figure four, right ankle over. Sit those hips back slowly, okay? That's that key, is slowly coming down. Focus those eyes on something. You can have those hands right here at center. Back is nice and tall, pushing those hips down. And just breathing. Remember, we're always breathing. Always keep you breathing during this workout. Slowly come back on up. Use that supporting legs. Push it on up. Other side. Remember, one side might be easier to balance on than the other, and that's completely natural. Okay, just always just do what you can. Supporting legs strong, hips back, back is tall again. Nice job. All right, bring it on up here. We're gonna separate those feet, okay? Both feet pointing forward, dropping that back knee down. Front knee right over the ankle. Back gets tall. We reach those hands up. You could be here, or if you need a little bit modification, you can be here. Back knee, get it towards the ground though. Make sure both feet are pointing the same direction, but we're not tippy-toe, we're not tight lining it. Okay, keep it separated, keep those feet separated. Okay, kind of like on a railroad track. Bring it on up. Other side comes down, other leg steps back, nice and far back. Drop that knee down. Make sure the front knee again over the ankle. Back tall, core engaged. Good job, everybody. How we doing? Just do what you can. It's all about slow and controlled movements here. And again, what are we doing? We're breathing. Keep it breathing. All right, come back on up. We're gonna take that first leg back again. This time, we're gonna reach those hands forward. And then we're gonna lift that back leg. How high can you get it? Can you get it in line with the glutes? Point the toes, hands out, balancing, core work, strong. Strong leg, strong supporting side. Take your time. Come back up. Switch legs, other leg. We lean it forward. Remember, we want to lean it forward so that we're counterbalancing our leg in the back. Take it on out here. Just breathing, supporting leg is strong still. Again, focus the eyes. One thing that's not moving. Bring it on up. Taking both feet back down. We're gonna get one more stretch out, then we'll bring it to the mat. Reach it on down. Hips right over heels. Lengthen those legs. Stretch out those hamstrings. Roll it on up nice and easy. Give me a nice good reach up to that ceiling, to the sky. Good job. Here we go. We're gonna take it on down to the mat here. We're gonna start in a high plank. If you need to drop to the knees, you may do so. Hands, remember, they're right below the shoulders. Back is nice and flat. Legs, feet can be apart or they can be together. the further the feet are apart, like this, easier that plank is. Okay, you want to make sure that back is nice and flat. And it's nice to have a mirror near you if you can for your planks. We don't want pyramids, we don't want here, and we don't want sagging. We want a straight line. We're not only engaging the core, we're engaging the shoulders, keeping that body strong. Engage those legs and make sure you're nice and solid. Coming down into a low plank now, right here on the elbows, palms down on that mat. Keep it engaged, keep it breathing. Remember, to hold a long plank here, we always breathe. Bring it back up into a high plank one more time. Excellent job, everybody. Arms are strong, body flat still. All right, take it to the knees. Child's pose if you need to take a quick breath. We're coming back into hands and knees here. So again, hands and knees. Back is nice and flat. Going into that bird dog, one hand, opposite leg point out. Straight line, hand in line with that shoulder, foot in line with that hip. Breathe in. Again, straight line. And it's, again, like I said earlier, it's nice to have a mirror if you have one nearby. Utilize it. Switch sides. Other hand, other leg, straight line, breathe in. Again, foot in line with that hip, hand in line with that shoulder, palm down. Nice and controlled, nice and stable. Lower back is engaged, core is engaged, shoulders working, and the glutes. Bring it back down. We're gonna add a little bit more challenge to this. You can stay here in this first position, or we're gonna take it to the side. Take it over the side of those mats, side to side. Still trying to keep that hand in line with that shoulder and that foot in line with your hip. Take it back, straight line. Switch side, other hand, other leg. Take it to the side. Nice work, everybody. Again, do what you can, modify. You can stay in the regular bird dog if you needed to. Bring it back straight. And relax. Good job. All right. Take those toes under. We're coming up into a downward dog. Hips up, heels back. We're not only staying here, we're gonna take one leg up. If that's too challenging for you, keep both feet down and stay in that downward dog. We're gonna take this right leg, bring it, drive it into the chest as we come down into a front plank and we hold here. Try and keep that foot off the ground the whole time. Stay strong, stay breathing. Body might shake a little bit, that's okay. Take that same leg, kick it all the way out. All the way up, hips up. Drop that foot, other side. Straight leg, palms pressing into that mat. Drive that knee right down to the center, front plank, hold here. Go ahead and release it, kick it right back on out, power through it. Drop that foot and relax. Take a breath, child's pose. Nice job, everyone. All right. One more final move here. We're gonna sit on our bottom. Legs are gonna be out. We're going into a hold here. Legs come up. You can have hands behind if you want. You can stay here. Or we're gonna take those hands out to the front, to the feet. And we just hold. The straighter your legs, the more challenging it is. You want a little bit extra, you can drop it down lower. Abs are gonna engage even more. And just hold and breathe. Add a little bit extra. You ready for it? We take those hands out wide. Hold, breathe, control. Nice job, everybody. All right, take it right back out to the front. And relax. Take a breath. Let's get one more in, okay? One more final work here, okay? We're almost there. Come back up. Reach those hands out. Breathe in, hold in, working, abs are engaged, core engaged, hands come out. Hold here, everybody. Five seconds. And relax. Nice job. Breathe. All right. Good job today, everybody. If you need a little bit extra, check out the rest of my core and stretch videos, ab workout videos. Check out the rest of my challenge. Again, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. And until next time, remember, stay fit, stay flex, and I'll see you in the next workout.